In this tutorial, I'll guide you through adding a strobe light effect to your video in CapCut. Let's take a video as an example. Start by previewing the video to get familiar with the content. Next, head to the toolbar and click on the Effects option. Here, you'll discover various effects to enhance your video. Use the search bar to find the strobe light effect. Click on it to preview how it looks on your video. Drag and drop the effect into the timeline. Adjust the duration by dragging the edges of the effect layer to match the video's length. Customize the speed of the effect by adjusting the slider to your liking. And there you have it. It's that simple. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.